All right, guys, we're back again. 51 Chevy Fleetline. I got this at Walmart. It's an older kit. Had a lot of fun. It really stressed me out. I peeled some paint by accident, and that front grill gave me nightmares. I was going to do the custom grill, and then I put the front panels on it, and I didn't want to take them off after I had them all bonded. But yeah, the grill was definitely interesting because it doesn't really set in place anywhere. You kind of just have to test fit it a whole bunch of times. But I ripped some paint on the back by accident. The steering wheel assembly was a little interesting, but overall great kit. I would recommend it. I did this in purple pearl and faded it into white with the airbrush. And yeah, guys, enjoy the pics. Let me know what you think.